Welcome to dontgetrekt. I'm a crypto enthusiast since 2013 and the web developer behind buybitcoinsmart.com. Today I'll be showing you how to buy Bitcoin in Tunisia. Let's get started. So step 1, you need to choose the exchange. To get started, go to buybitcoinsmart.com and type in Tunisia into the search bar. Or just click the link below and you'll see a list of all the best exchanges to buy Bitcoin in Tunisia. Choose an exchange to suit your needs. Step 2. Register and KYC. This process usually involves providing your personal information and verifying your identity to the exchange you chose. And step 3. You need to deposit fiat and buy Bitcoin. This process is usually different depending on which exchange you chose. So be sure to follow the instructions on the exchange's website. And thanks for watching. Make sure to click the link below to see the updated list of all the best exchanges in Tunisia. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. That way you'll never miss a new video and can continue to learn more about crypto. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest trends in crypto, earn free crypto, airdrops, DeFi, NFTs and more, be sure to join the dontgetrekt Academy. Link below. And that's it for today. Hope this video has been helpful in showing you how to buy Bitcoin in Tunisia, and see you in the next video.